Hi everyone! So today we're going to learn about forms. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so the first point that we have to know is the definition of form. Form is a structured document used to collect required information. Jadi formulir ini adalah dokumen terstruktur yang digunakan untuk mengumpulkan informasi yang dibutuhkan. Formulir biasanya berupa secari kertas maupun elektronik. Nah, salah satu manfaat formulir adalah untuk mengurangi kemungkinan kesalahan informasi. Kenapa begitu? Karena formulir itu biasanya sudah terpola, kemudian informasi yang dibutuhkan pun sudah runtut, sehingga memudahkan pengguna atau memudahkan orang yang ingin mengisi formulir itu untuk mengisi data-data dengan cepat, tepat, dan efektif. And the next point is the example of forms. Kita di sini punya passport atau visa, and then we have event registration, misal ingin mendaftarkan diri di sebuah acara atau kegiatan. Kemudian job application, biasanya ada formulir atau data-data yang harus kita isi di situ. Admission form, misalnya ingin mendaftar ke perguruan tinggi maupun sekolah. Entry form dan requisition form. Nah, form-form tersebut itu bisa dikatakan sebagai sebuah dokumen gitu ya, atau structured document. Tapi kadang dalam kehidupan sehari-hari kita sebenarnya sudah terbiasa untuk mengisi form. Misalnya ketika kita mendaftar di website seperti Open Learning ini, ketika mendaftar kita akan disuguhkan oleh isian email, kemudian isian password, kemudian ada complete name sepertinya ya. Nah, di situ kita secara tidak langsung sudah mengisi formulir dalam bentuk simple dan dalam media digital begitu. Nah, setelah email kemudian password, di bawah biasanya kita ditanyakan apakah sudah membaca gitu, apakah sudah membaca peraturannya dan apakah kita ingin subscribe newsletternya. Biasanya kita berikan tanda centang. Nah, itu adalah beberapa contoh dari formulir sederhana dalam medium digital yang biasa kita isi sehari-hari. Okay, so the next point is about the tips to fill in a form. Okay, so we have 4 tips here to help you fill in a form in a good way. Okay, so the first is be sure of the purpose. So you have to make sure what is the purpose of the form. So what is your aim in filling in a form? The next, read the form carefully. So before you write down your information, you can read the form at a glance so you can catch the idea of the form, or you can prepare what kind of information that you would like to fill in. The third one, check the language used in the form. So you have to make sure that you master the language used in the form. And the fourth one, make sure you understand the instruction. So the last steps will be explained in this video. I will give you some examples of instruction along with the examples. So the next point is types of forms. There are 3 types of forms so far. The first one, it is written by hand. The second one, by word processor and signed by hand. And the third one, which is common nowadays, it is online. So we come to types of instruction. You have to understand it carefully, because after this, I will give you some exercises to test your ability or your understanding about the instructions of the phone. So the first instruction, write in block capital. It means that you have to write the whole word in capital letters. For example, please fill in by capital letters. So there are some ways to instruct the readers to write down in the capital letters. The example is full name, teacher. So this type of instruction is commonly used in a national examination or English proficiency test. Commonly, they instruct the readers to write down their names in the capital letters. Next is, please tick appropriate box. It means that you have to put a tick in the box that is right for you. Commonly, there are some options written down next to the box, and you have to decide which option describes yourself. In some cases, you have to put a tick in 2 or more options. So let's say the first example can be found in a skill section, whether it is excellent, very good, or good. The next example can be found in marital status, whether you are married, divorced, single, or widowed. Next instruction is delete where applicable. It means that you have to cross out the answers that do not apply to you. Crossing out means that you have to draw a line through something to show that it is wrong. You can see the example in the picture that I have attached. Next is, please print. It means that you have to write without joining up the letters. You can simply write down in the capital letters. It aims to make your writing clearer so the readers find it easily to read your form you have filled in. You can see the example attached in the picture, as it says Michael, and all of the letters are in capital letters. And the last is, please specify. It means that you have to give the detail about the information. Specifying means that you have to mention, describe, or define in detail. You have to state definitely and mention the information more specifically.